चलता रहा यूं ही अगर चलने में माहिर बन जाऊंगा, या तो मंजिल मिल जाएगी या अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊंगा। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, भारत एक त्योहारों का देश है और मैं गर्व से कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब त्योहार मिलजुल कर हंसी खुशी के साथ मनाते हैं। नवरात्रि का धार्मिक महत्व तो है ही, साथ ही ये त्योहार बड़ी धूमधाम और नाच गाने के साथ मनाया जाता है। एड्यूबेस्ट के फर्स्ट कंपटीशन सुपर किड्स की सक्सेस जैसे ही प्यार आपने नवरात्रि स्पेशल को भी दिया है, इसके लिए टीम एड्यूबेस्ट आपका धन्यवाद करती है। मैं आपके लिए यही कहना चाहूंगी, ईश्वर ने भी कीमती रत्न गिनती के ही बनाए हैं। उन रत्नों में सबसे कीमती आज हमारे बीच में आए हैं। इट इज नाउ टाइम टू अनाउंस द रिजल्ट। We will have a winner and a runner-up for each category in all age groups. The most viewed and liked video from every age group and in whole will also be recognized. Stay tuned till the end of the video for the Team EduBest Choice Awards. Before that, I'm happy to announce the two forthcoming events in the name of Talent Unlocked: Karwa Chauth Special and Talent Hunt. इन इवेंट्स की डिटेल देखने के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखे लिंक पर क्लिक करें या फिर स्क्रीन पे दिए नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप करें। On to the much awaited results. Let's begin with the first age group of up to 3 years. We will start with the cute little adorable kids. We have Rudransh as the runner-up. Ahana Negi has secured the first position in Adorable Kids. In the next age category, that is of 4 to 10 years, Yukti left her jaws dropping with the style and stood first in the modeling event. On to the folk dance category, we have Rishika Tyagi as the runner-up. Yahavi Sharma has secured the first position in folk dance. We have Manya Gupta as the runner-up in dancing. Anika Khetarpal left us in awe with the beautiful dance and secured the first position in dancing. Alicia Seth is the runner-up of the bhajan singing event. The winner of this event is Manya Gupta, who mesmerized us with a beautiful voice. In the next age category of 11 to 18 years, the runner-up of the folk dance is Smriti Kulshrestha. A big round of applause for Samriddhi Singh Chauhan, who has won in this event. The runner-up of dancing is Aradhya Rena. Sejal set the stage on fire and stood first in the dancing category. For the next category of bhajan, we have Priyamvada Singh, who played the keyboard like a professional and won this category. Our last age category of above 19 years old was also full of wonders. The runner-up of the folk dance category is Swati Mittal. Priti Goyal has won this event with her moves. Vaishali Tyagi had us when she grooved on the stage and secured the first position in dancing. Priti Goyal stood first for the bhajan singing category with a smooth voice. Now we'll announce the name of the people who did exceptionally well and got the most views and likes. The most viewed and liked video up to 3 years was of Ahana Negi. In the age category of 4 to 10 years, we have Yukti with the most viewed video. Yavi Sharma got the most likes in the same age category. Sejal got the highest number of views and likes in the age category of 11 to 18 years. In above 19 years group, we have Smriti Goyal with the most viewed and liked video. We are more than happy to announce that the contestant who got the most views and likes in the whole Navratri special contest is none other than Sejal. The team EduBest watched every contestant's video, and some of them were liked a lot by the team, irrespective of their views and judgment. So now we announce the names of the contestants who are Team EduBest choice. Swara Mittal and Myra Gupta with their adorable videos. Shiza Fatima and Tiasa Goyal with their traditional moves. Arohi Raina and Arav Jain with the stunning dance. Sanya Taneja with the folk dance. Thank you for being with us. इस इवेंट के सर्टिफिकेट्स आपको कल तक मेल कर दिए जाएंगे. Stay tuned with us. अभी आपके पास 2 और मौके हैं to unlock your talent with the 2 upcoming events, Karwa Chauth Special and Talent Hunt. We hope to get your full participation and support. Please डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए लिंक को क्लिक करके रजिस्टर करें. We are eagerly waiting for your response. Thank you.